AI image generation is changing the way we create designs, art, and visuals. From professional tools to free websites, today I'll show you the top 10 AI image generation websites in 2025. Whether you are a designer, a student, a content creator, or just want to explore AI art, this video is for you. So let's get started. Our first pick is Adobe Firefly. It's Adobe's own AI generator, directly connected with Photoshop, Illustrator, and Express. You can create realistic images, edit photos with generative fill, and even generate text effects. The biggest advantage is that all images are copyright safe, so you can use them commercially. It comes with Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, but also has a free web version to try. Number 2 is Midjourney. This one is famous for its stunning, artistic, and fantasy-style images. It works through Discord, so you type prompts in a chat and the bot generates images. If you love creative posters, wallpapers, and concept art, Midjourney is perfect. It's not free, but subscriptions start around $10 per month. Next is DALL-E 3, created by OpenAI, the same company behind ChatGPT. The best thing about DALL-E is its realism and creativity. It understands complex prompts and can even edit existing images. It's available inside ChatGPT, so if you have ChatGPT Plus, you already get access. At number 4, we have Stable Diffusion, available at Dream Studio. It's an open-source AI, which means you can customize it with different models and styles. Many free websites also use Stable Diffusion. It's perfect if you want full control over AI art. Number 5 is Runway ML. This platform is popular among video editors, filmmakers, and designers. You can generate AI images, edit videos with AI, and even create AI-powered animations. If you're into media production, Runway ML is a great choice. Number 6 is Canva AI Image Generator. Canva is already the most popular tool for social media design, and now it has AI built in. Just type a prompt and get images directly in your Canva project. It's great for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and presentations. Next is Night Cafe Studio. This website gives you free daily credits to generate AI art. It's beginner-friendly and supports multiple AI models like Stable Diffusion and DALL-E. If you want to experiment without paying, Night Cafe is a good option. At number 8, we have Photor. It's a simple web-based generator that focuses on portraits, avatars, and digital artwork. It's fast and easy, so if you just want quick results, Photor is worth trying. Number 9 is Meta AI, the AI assistant built into Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It uses Meta's powerful Emu model to generate images directly in your chats. You can ask it to create posters, wallpapers, or even fun edits right inside Messenger or WhatsApp. The best part is that Meta AI is completely free to use and built into the apps you already use every day. And finally, number 10 is Pixlr AI. This tool is not only for generating images, but also for photo editing with AI. You can remove backgrounds, enhance photos, and create AI images all in one place. So these were the top 10 AI image generation websites in 2025. If you want professional, copyright-safe tools, go for Adobe Firefly. If you love artistic images, Midjourney is the best. For free experiments, try Night Cafe, Meta AI, or Stable Diffusion. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and AI updates. See you in the next video.